Hey everybody, how's it going? And thanks for watching Manny's Scale Modeling. Got John here today. He just got out of work, I don't know, a couple hours ago.
Yeah.
So he wanted to get a start on his first model kit he's going to build since he was, a kid. So show him what you're working on.
It's a 66 Mustang GT 350.
And you're building it box stock, right?
Yep.
Yeah, box stock, first time build. So you got the body somewhat sanded down, ready to get in the primer.
Yeah, got it pretty much all prepped up. Went through and sanded down all the seams and um did the scuff pad for the whole body.
Yep, nice and smooth now.
Got all the flash stuff off.
Yep. Yeah, cool.
I think it's pretty good. Should be ready for primer.
Yeah. So I did a quick video of him priming for the first time priming the engine. So let's go to that video clip. And here it is. Okay guys, so a little quick special here. We got Johnny working on the Mustang, first kit since he was a kid anyway, and he's gonna get the engine prime. Don't get paint on my camera. Yeah, just flip it around all different angles so you can get all sides. Gotta get the front. Yeah. Cool. Good enough. All right, guys. We'll be back. And yeah, it was raining out, but we were under the tree, so the water wasn't getting to us. But yeah, it was raining.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. So what color do you plan on doing that?
I'm not sure. Kind of up in the air on it still.
So,
Thinking do like the reds.
Some sort of red.
Maybe some sort of red, or kind of a fan of the blues too.
Yeah, there's a lot of nice blue. I wouldn't go with a clear red like I did on the 55, that one.
No.
And it looks all right, but I'm just not a fan of it anymore, but I'm going to leave it.
And I'm thinking something a little on the darker side of the reds.
Yeah. I think I got a House of Color blood red somewhere.
Yeah.
Check that out, but there's a lot of red. So anyway, John's starting to build his first model kit, and how do you think it's going so far?
Yeah, I haven't done too much so far.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
well,
you're gonna get it in primer, the body in primer here in a little bit.
Yeah.
So if it's not raining out, we'll do it outside.
Yeah, it just came in. It was raining pretty good when I came in.
Jesus. Well, we're gonna have to do it in the paint booth then, I guess. So you'll be able to check that out.
Yeah.
Yeah, works really good. You'll see. It's very cool. paint booth. Well, later on, after we pause and stuff, when you get that in primer, I'll do a video of that too. So get him video of him priming it.
Yeah, you can see, me learning,
Yeah, yeah. See how he's learning.
see how the amateurs do it.
Yeah. This is almost kind of like just a regular podcast, but on video, because normally this is something we would do and just talk about it, but at least the video you can see, watch him doing it and stuff. And it'll be a second time, doing priming with a spray can. So
Yeah.
yeah. The engine came out pretty good. So I don't think we'll paint that today, or you'll paint that today, but at least get this in primer and maybe do the chassis, I think.
Yeah.
Get some of that together first and do that, but that'd be pretty cool.
It took this long to get it started, so
Yeah.
kind of feel good that I got anything done.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. It's definitely ready for primer, and then we'll see, if there's any more body work that need to be done. So
Yeah.
but it looks good from when I looked at it earlier. So yeah, cool. All right. So I got a quick shop card shout out from Kurtis low-Leadfoot model cars. Yeah. And I will have the bigger picture of the shop card right here so you can see it. You always get backwards on the camera. So definitely go check out Kurtis's channel. He's got some awesome stuff going on there. It's the 3740 he's working on now is sick. I got to show you that. I was going to show you earlier and I forgot, but it's awesome. So go over there, give him a subscribe, and tell him Manny sent you, and check it out. It's awesome. Most everybody probably already knows him, so I've seen a lot of shout outs for Kurtis.
Yeah.
Shepard, yeah. All right. Well, let's you get that in primer, and then maybe start getting some of the chassis put together, get that in primer. Unless you're gonna do different, color rear end or whatever, but probably just gonna keep it simple and just do like a flat black for now, or sand black or something.
Yeah.
All right. So all right, guys, we'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, we're back, and John's gonna get the body primed. So we'll get the fan going. All right, man, shoot. Try to keep the can kind of level. Do all your edges first. Keep the can at that angle. Yeah, good on the edges. Here, let's put it on the stand. This might be easier for you. that up, tilt it a little bit to get that groove, because everything else is good except for right in there. Yeah, that's good. All right, guys, did a pretty good job priming it. It's pretty good. So we'll be right back. Hey guys, okay, we're back, and Johnny's got the chassis. Where is it focusing? Chassis done, engine seal and primer with the timing cover. Got the rear end done. There's the exhaust, and you're gonna keep the chassis black, right? Yeah. I'm gonna try not to make you dizzy. Swing around here. Body's all in primer. Body looks good, bro. Did a good job on that. Focus. So, next time he'll be getting maybe the motor painted, engine painted, and get the exhaust on, get the rear end on it. Then maybe we'll work on the wheels and tires. You can get those the tires sanded and detail the wheels with the panel liner stuff.
Yeah.
And go from there. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we will be back.